What is up, everyone? In this video I'll show you how to easily create faceless TikTok affiliate marketing videos so you can promote products and earn money without the need to ever showing your face or even recording with your own voice. If you go to TikTok and view the top affiliate marketing channels, or the channels that do faceless videos to promote certain products, you'll see that they have millions of views, and each time a customer makes a purchase from the affiliate link that is listed in the caption of their videos, they make a profit. So you can make hundreds, even thousands of dollars if your videos go viral and they are interesting enough to do so. So I'll show you how to create your faceless videos from generating the script, having the voiceover, and having the images and editing the whole video. Now, to go ahead and have the script, so the first thing to do, that's the first thing you need to do, a script, a voiceover, and images. And the fourth thing and the final thing is free editing software. So you can go ahead and if you find a viral videos channel that does really well in the, of course, you need to identify your niche. Let's say I'm interested in selling like fitness products or health products. So I'm gonna go ahead on TikTok and look for channels that do affiliate marketing or do faceless videos, promoting fitness or health products. And one thing you need to do is to learn from these accounts. So go ahead and grab a video that you think is doing pretty well, has lots of views, copy the URL and paste it here into TalkScript. You can go ahead to Google, search for TalkScript, and this is the site you wanna go ahead to and paste it, and it'll generate a script of the video that you paste. Of course, you won't be copying the script like word to word. You won't be literally copying other creators' work, as this is not ethical. But you can go ahead and take the script, go to ChatGPT, paste the script, and tell ChatGPT to change the script a bit here, or go ahead and sentence by sentence change the script, or go ahead and change the script sentence by sentence. But you won't copy the script as it is. You just need to get some ideas, some inspiration from it. Or you can generate the script like from scratch with ChatGPT, as I'm going to do here. Now, a successful video needs to have three things: a hook to make the person interested in following the video, something like don't take X supplement, it will make you gain lots of muscle, stuff like that, to make the person interested in watching your video, and a good content, entertaining content, and lastly a call to action, such as go ahead and buy the product from the link in the caption. So go to ChatGPT, tell it to generate a script for a faceless TikTok video explaining the health benefits. Let's choose a random product for this video. Let's say spirulina. Spirulina is a great superfood derived from seaweed, a certain type of seaweed that has lots of vitamins, minerals, nutrition, and micronutrients. So I'll be generating a faceless video that explains this benefits of spirulina, indicating the health benefits, ease of use, and at the end of the video telling viewers to buy the product from the link in the caption. Okay, now of course you will need to find like a product to promote, get your affiliate link from this, and adding the link in your caption. Okay, that's generated, and here it generates a short and sweet video here, or script for the video, of course with titles and instructions, like add animations and extra, and a caption in this part here. And you can go ahead and copy the script itself, of course not the instructions. Now you have your script. The next thing you need is an AI voiceover, and you want to go to 11 Labs here to have this. It's a free text-to-speech generator with lots of AI voices. Now probably the most popular one is Adam, so let's here a sample.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Pretty sure you heard this voice in lots of faceless videos before. Now it's viral, so we can use it. Or you can choose between lots of AI voices that are available on this site. Now you want to go ahead and paste your script sentence by sentence. So I'm going to do so pretty quickly, and then let's continue the video. Okay, now my script is ready. Of course, you can read the script here and change it if you want to. Do all the changes that you want, adding other benefits and stuff like that. And once here it's good for you, good enough for you, just generate the speech right here. And now your speech is generated. It'll take a while here to generate. And now once it's done, you can go ahead and download it all. If you want a longer video, you can do so. However, I think a minute or less is good enough to engage your viewers, since viewers don't have like the patience to watch longer videos. Now go ahead and download the voiceover. Click on this download icon right here, and now the voiceover is downloaded as an MP3. Now the next thing you want is to add like photos. So one thing to do, instead of using Midjourney or other paid services, you can go to Lexica, which has a library, a wide library of many photos generated by AI. And you can go ahead to your script and sentence by sentence, go ahead and get a photo that suits it. Now here, in this sentence, for example, said spirulina supports your immune system. So let's go to Lexica and search for an image on immune system. Okay, search. Okay, so this looks good. This one looks good. You can go ahead and download this image if you want to. Okay, the image is now downloaded, and you can do so with all the images. You can go ahead and like scroll through the images and download the ones that you want. Okay, now let's go to the second sentence here for feel more energetic, vibrance throughout the day. So let's go ahead to Lexica and search for energetic, and let's choose this one. I like it. So you get the idea. Go ahead sentence by sentence and download the photos that you want. Or you can go to a free image generator such as Leonardo.ai right here and generate your photos from a prompt if you want to. You can generate the photos that unique to you or to your videos, and you have all the freedom to edit the details of the photo. Now, once you've done all this or downloaded all the photos that you need, go ahead and grab your voiceover, your photos, and go to a free video editing software. You can use Canva, of course, an online platform to edit your video. However, the software that I would recommend is CapCut. Here is CapCut. You can download it for free on any platform that you use, Windows, Mac, mobile, or anything. And here it is. I've created a new project. You would want to import your voiceover and your images. Okay, import. Okay, so this is the voiceover, and these are the two images that I added. Of course, you would have more than two images. However, I just downloaded two images just to show you the way. Okay, import them. Now add your voiceover. Now you would want to drag here your images. I'm going to do so with two images, so I'm going to drag them to fit all the voiceover here. Okay. This looks good enough. Now, you want to add animations and other effects to your images. Let's here add an animation. So go to animations and view the animations that you want here. You can add animation. Let's say I want to add this one. And for the second image, let's add this one.
Illness.
And as you can see here, you can also go ahead and cut out the silences to make your video more engaging. Now, once you're done, go ahead and generate captions. Of course, you would want to go here to text and then click on auto captions. English, generate. It'll generate the captions for your video. And now the captions are generated. Now you can go ahead and choose a style for the captions, for all the captions. Let's say I like this style. and move the captions here to the middle. Okay, let's select the captions once again and move them to the middle. Okay, move them here to the middle. And once your video is ready, go ahead and export it, and now you have a faceless video that you can upload to TikTok. Now, another thing you want to make sure you do is to have the right ratio. So click on ratio here, then make it 9:16, and go ahead and zoom out the pictures, scale them up a bit to fill in the ratio here, scale them just to fit the whole screen. Do the same for the second photo, and now you are good to go.